Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing a recorder like OBS Studio. Choose OBS for flexibility or Fraps for simplicity. Once done, launch the game and set resolution and refresh to match your recorder settings so capture is stable. You should create a dedicated folder and confirm at least 10 GB free per hour of footage. This avoids dropped frames and mid-recording failures. Finally, open the recorder and add a game capture source pointed at CS1.6 so recording begins with the next launch of the match. You now fine-tune the recorder. Select an encoder, X264 for best quality if CPU permits, or NVENC/QuickSync to offload encoding to GPU and keep FPS stable. Then set bitrate between 6,000 and 12,000 kbps depending on resolution and target quality, and choose 30 or 60 FPS to match your monitor. Make sure to enable separate audio tracks. Track 1 for game audio and track 2 for your mic. This helps in post. Finally, test when you're ready to record full matches. Launch CS1.6, press your assigned hotkey to start, and monitor CPU/GPU and disk usage. Once done, stop recording and review the clip for sync, frame drops, and audio clarity. Make adjustments as needed. If you encounter stutters, reduce bitrate, lower in-game settings, or switch to a hardware encoder to reduce CPU load. If audio drifts, apply a small audio delay in the recorder or remap tracks and re-export. With these final checks, your recordings will be reliable and clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.